Welcome back. Today we're taking a full look at Calina RAT Pro end-to-end. First, watch this. Defender is on, fully active, real-time protection enabled. We open the builder, configure the stub, obfuscation on, build it. Defender doesn't flinch, no detection, no quarantine. We start the listener, port opens, client connect. There it is, one client, remote machine, full control. Now let me show you what that actually means. Every single option in the client context menu, explained live. System information, one click and you get the full hardware and software profile of the remote machine. CPU, RAM, GPU, OS version, installed software, running processes, everything you need for reconnaissance. File manager, full remote file system access. Browse, upload, download, delete, execute. Drag and drop support with a live transfer queue and progress tracking. Remote shell, direct command line access to the remote machine via cmd.exe. Let's run calc.exe as a quick test. And just like that, the calculator opens on their machine. Every command you type executes instantly with live output. TCP Connections shows every active network connection on the remote machine. Protocol, local and remote addresses, connection state, and the process behind each one. Auto-refreshing in real time. Reverse proxy, route your traffic through the remote client. HTTP and SOCKS5 supported. Set a local port, start the proxy, and all traffic tunnels through their internet connection. Registry Editor, browse and modify the remote Windows registry in real time. Navigate through HKLM, HKCU, all the standard hives. Create, modify, or delete keys and values, string, DWORD, QWORD, binary. If you can do it and reget it locally, you can do it here remotely. Shutdown and restart, two direct commands. One click and the remote machine powers off or reboots immediately. No confirmation on their end. I'll skip clicking this one. Remote desktop live screen view. Two capture methods. DirectX mode first, hardware accelerated, smoother, lower CPU usage on the client. Now switching to CPU mode, software-based, works on any system. JPEG quality is adjustable for bandwidth control. Full mouse and keyboard input supported. You can even draw annotations on the screen. Remote webcam and remote microphone, live capture from their camera and mic. I'll just show the windows, no need to trigger them right now. HVNC Hidden Virtual Network Computing. This creates a completely hidden desktop session. The user sees nothing. No mouse movement, no open windows. Let me run calc.exe through HVNC. On the main desktop, nothing. The user has no idea, but here, we have full control. HVNC also has its own process list and file selection. You can see Chrome, Firefox, Edge, all available to launch in the hidden session. Banking sites, email, anything, all invisible to the logged-in user. Install Virtual Monitor, adds a second display driver that only you can see through remote desktop. Work privately without disturbing what the user sees on their main screen. Live Keylogger, every keystroke they press, you see instantly. Watch this, I'm going to the remote machine and typing. There it is, every character appears here in real time. Special keys like enter, backspace, shift, all captured. No software icon, no tray icon, completely invisible. Clipboard Monitor, watches the remote clipboard in real time. Watch, I'm going to the remote machine and copying some text. Instantly appears here, every copy action is captured. Let me copy something else. Boom, there it is. Any text they copy for any reason, passwords, wallet addresses, private notes, it shows up here the moment they hit. No logs stored on their end. Completely transparent. Hidden RDP, create hidden remote desktop connections from their machine to another target. Provide the target IP, username, and password. The RDP session is established on their end completely invisibly. No window, no notification, no trace. Grab logs. This extracts stored browser data from the remote machine. Let me trigger it. And here's what came back. Let me walk through each tab. Passwords every saved login from Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera. URL, username, password, all in plain text. Cookies, session cookies, authentication tokens, website cookie name value. Credit cards, stored card numbers, expiry dates, CVV, all visible. Bookmarks, saved websites. Downloads, download history with full file paths. And everything is also saved locally to the saved logs folder as structured files, organized by client, by date, ready for offline review. This is one of the most powerful features in Calina RAT Pro. That's the context menu. Now let me quickly show the navigation panel, 11 sections. We already saw clients and logs, notifications for keyword alerts, crypto clipper for address monitoring, auto tasks for automation, builder for stub generation, DDoS Manager, port manager for multi-port listening, settings, about, and changelog. Let me focus on one more. Crypto Clipper monitors clipboard for cryptocurrency addresses. Watch, I'm going to copy a Bitcoin address on the remote machine. It's detected instantly. The clipper logs it with the address type and timestamp. In addition to monitoring, the clipper can automatically replace copied addresses with your own. So if they copy a deposit address thinking they're sending crypto to their wallet, it gets swapped with yours. BTC, ETH, LTC, XMR, all major coins supported. Every clipboard copy logged and timestamped. Auto tasks schedule automated operations across your clients. Deploy DDoS attacks, file executions, or bot tasks on a timer. Set it and forget it. Tasks run automatically based on your configuration. DDoS Manager, coordinate distributed attacks across your entire client network. Configure target, port, thread count, attack mode, and deploy in seconds. All active attacks are tracked in real time with status updates. That's Calina RAT Pro. Full control, zero detection. Need help? Want to get your own copy? Contact us on Telegram at Calina Dev or visit our official website. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.